Right, so next job is put the architrave around. Now, it's all well and good, this bit, but along here, obviously we've got this to deal with. So, the architrave is going to need this amount, which is probably about 5mm, rebated out of the back. Just leaving just a tiny bit that's full depth. Honestly, I don't know how I'm going to do it. Either a router or a track saw, but either way, there are my two legs, and there's the head. The head is going to need just this little section routed, rebated 5mm. And one of these legs is going to need the full section, apart from the very end, rebated 5mm. So let me work out how I'm going to do that. Right, so first one, we want to rebate this little back section out. If you can see that, I want to rebate this out. And then on the head, it's just going to be this little bit. Right, so I've decided to go down the track saw route. So I'm going to put this on time lapse because this is going to take a little while. Right, here we are, so here we go. Pretty, isn't it? I guess I could have used a router, but a router would have made loads of dust, and I don't want to make much dust. And by the time I'd gone and got it and set it up and that, you know, it might have taken longer. So, just gonna get most of these little bits off, just clean it up with a chisel. Bob's your uncle. Right, so I've cut the miters on the architrave, and I'll show you what I was talking about. This is the section I've taken off, so that it sits nicely over this. Honestly, the things we do just to make it look good. Ah, lovely. Same with this top. See this top? Like that? Let's get a closer look. Hang on one moment. This is hard. Right. see if you can see. So that slot, so that it just sits over this, lovely, like that. Perfect. Right, so leg, top, right mate. Just wait a couple seconds for that to grab. Right, where is it? It is. Let's get you over here. Just like that. Oops, a bit of a splodge. Excessive. I don't really know about this bit, to be honest. Let's just go on here. I'm going to try pinning through that in a minute. I don't know how that's going to work. Right, gently pick her up. There we go. Oop, thought it was coming to get me. Ding. Right, see how this side goes. Seems fine. I think that bottom is over as far as I can go. Don't know where the hammer is, that'll do. Cool. Right, so there we go. Architrave is on. And obviously it is, I don't know if you can see that because I can't see what you're seeing. Rebated over, so that it all just finishes nice. I'm just put a bit of silicone down there, I suspect. But there we go. Old door in new frame with architrave, rebated over, shower board. That's it now, I can't be bothered to record anything else.